Hi, my name is Susan Gilbert with Online Promotion Success. And today we're going to talk about how you can download a Facebook video to upload to iTunes or wherever you would like to use it. Facebook doesn't easily allow you to do that, and so you need another service. You can't do it directly from Facebook. And one of the things we're going to look at today is an add-on in Firefox which will allow you to do exactly what you want. So let's take a look at the add-on in Firefox. Is called Video Download Helper, and you could search for it in Google or look at it as your add-ins in Firefox. We've already added it, but if you haven't, then you want to click on Add to Firefox. Now let's go over to Facebook, and we're going to look at some of Facebook's own videos so we know that they aren't just a YouTube link. And we're going to look at what happens now that we've had that. With the Firefox downloaded, we now have a little icon up here that once we have a video on the screen, we'll have some options available to us. So let's take a look at one of the videos here. And we'll just pause this and go up, and you can see this is highlighted now. And if you go to the little caret that's next to it, you'll see that that's the file that's available. It's an MP4 file, so that's compatible with iTunes. And if we click on that, we have options of downloading it to our desktop. We have options of doing copying the URL or social share, but for our purposes we would just do the download it to our desktop, and then from our desktop move it on over to iTunes. So my name is Susan Gilbert with Online Promotion Success, and we've just shown you how you can download a video from Facebook.